Welcome to this review of the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ, the charming baby Land Cruiser that's set to shake up the compact SUV world with its blend of iconic off-road heritage and everyday usability. If you're an adventure enthusiast tired of oversized trucks or cookie-cutter crossovers, this pint-sized powerhouse measuring just 170 inches long delivers the rugged spirit of the full-size Land Cruiser in a nimble, affordable package starting around $35,000. Inspired by the classic FJ Cruiser and the futuristic compact Cruiser Eve concept, the FJ boasts a boxy, retro design with modern touches like LED lighting, modular bumpers for trailside fixes, and a spare tire on the side swinging tailgate. Built on a sturdy ladder-frame chassis akin to the Hilux, it features 8.7 inches of ground clearance, all-terrain tires, and a full-time 4WD system with low-range transfer case, hill descent control, and multi-terrain select modes for sand, mud, or rock. Under the hood, a 2.7-liter four-cylinder engine pumps out 161 horsepower and 181 pounds-ft of torque via a 6-speed automatic, achieving 24 mpg city, 29 highway efficient enough for commutes, with a hybrid option possibly boosting that to 30 mpg. Inside, expect a practical cabin with supportive seats for 5, a 9-inch touchscreen supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 for top-tier safety, though cargo space is modest at 20 cubic feet with seats up. Launching mid-2026 in Japan before going global, the baby Land Cruiser rivals the Suzuki Jimny with 30 to approach and 30 for departure angles, a locking rear diff option, and composed on road handling, proving Toyota's legend scales down without losing its adventurous soul. Thanks for watching.